Unoyalam ke NPP bat Menteri Sarkar Marcus N Marak hakas ngi balang ulapan pau ya ke Sngew Skhem ba ke NPP kan job bet ya ke election Lok Sabha rajar posau na Shillong Batura Parliamentary Constituency namar ke Jylla kalayo I ya bon ba ke jingkela hapo ke jingelam jong kwanrat ke sama habaya kren ba kinong tok khobor Marak ulaong ba ke MP Katura agatha ke sama klempep kan wan pai biang kum ke MP ha ke election Lok Sabha banwan ulaong ba ha ke Shillong ru ke don ke jingkemen ban job kumta ula kerpat ya kit pai ba kerilum khasi jantiaru makiru kinlej bat ke NPP naba ke NPP kala persangkat bala hapo ke jinglam konat ke sama ulaong bala dadon armut ke MP hadelhi kan long ke besuk bhai ya seng ban tenru ha kaban la penlait lot ya ki Baroh ki Skhem bat ki projek nak ke sarkar pedeng haba ke jingkeno jong ke BJP bat ke kongres ke rilum karo une unoyalam ke NPP ulaong bakila banlej serilum garo pat sang chane satai bat kin syam ya ke ba ka agatha kala le sibun ki aka ba ka agatha kala le sibun ki ying school kala pen poi pisa na ka MPLADS bat wat ki Skhem ka sarkar pedeng ru kadai maka halendet ban pinyo ya ka song pisa jong ki project na Delhi.
Why don't you go to Baroh Hills and then move around and then find out what Agatha has done? Lots of things Agatha has done.
Can you name
It is many.
No, many is a general statement.
So how do I remember so many school buildings she has funded from MPLA schemes, and then even these centrally sponsored schemes fundings also. She was behind us in every project getting sanctioned in Delhi. So
But many allegation is that she supported CIA.
CIA, I don't. That is only allegations which they wanted to put an allegation.
No, it's a reality. She supported.
That's what. But then it is not the same, na here.
No, it is a central support she has given.
So now, seeing his performances, we are very happy and we are very hopeful of getting through.
So the opponent, you don't take him seriously.
See, elections we count every vote, so therefore we take seriously all the opponents. Whether the opponent is big or small, that doesn't matter. But opponent is opponent. We take seriously.
So are you taking BJP support because they are not putting up candidates now till now?
I don't know. I don't know about BJP. It's a totally different political party. So
Will you be approaching?
you can put up a question to them. It's a allegation from Congress. No? Definitely they will make this kind of allegations. You ask from us where she was. She was very much with us, and then she was with every programs with us. So Congress will definitely make this kind of allegations.
So as of now, she is winning.
She will win definitely. Any doubt?
NPP has any doubt? No.
Sorry?
NPP no doubt. No.
No doubt we will win. We are very hopeful of winning.
What about Shillong?
Shillong also we are hopeful of winning.
When there are issues.
We are appealing to the people of Kasij and Hills also. Should go for the NPP party. NPP party has tried level best under the leadership of Cornet Kesama. You must have seen state being transformed now. So hope we are hopeful of getting the support of the people of our state. If we have 2 numbers of MPs in Delhi, so to get the clearance of all these centrally sponsored schemes will be very easy for us to push for the projects.